What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use your PS4 DualShock 4 controller on Windows 10. Let's get right into it. So, first things first, there's going to be a couple links in the description. In one link, you will be able to download this file right here, which we are going to be using in order to connect our PS4 controller to our Windows 10 computer. The other link, you will be able to find an updated copy of this file. So if you would like to use the exact same one that I am using in this video, go ahead and click on the first link. And if you would like to check for an update, go ahead and click on the second link. So once you have this file installed, go ahead and open it up. Inside, you should see two different programs. You should see DS4 Updater and DS4 Windows. So if you do download this file, you will be able to run the updater and get an updated copy, or you can go to the website to get an updated copy. But we are going to focus on this DS4 Windows right here, and we can click and drag that onto our desktop. So after we have DS4 Windows on our desktop, go ahead and double click on it to run, and then this window should come up. So here you can see your controllers that are connected, your profiles, your auto profiles, your settings, and a log. So under controllers, you can see that there are none to speak of. So in order to connect your controller, you must plug it in. You can also connect your controller via Bluetooth, but for right now, we are just going to plug it in. So as soon as you plug it in, it pops up. You can see how much battery your controller has. You can see how it is connected by. You can select which profile you'd like to use, which at the moment I don't have any. You can edit your controller, and you can even use colors. So if I click on green and press OK, my controller, the light bar turns green. If you press edit, you can see what kind of controller you're using. You can edit the color a bit more. You can tell it's a flash at a certain battery percentage. You can choose all different kinds of settings. You can also see special actions and controller readings. So under controller readings, this is how you're going to be able to tell that your controller is actually working. So I just picked up my controller. So as you can see on this red dot right here, it is moving because I am moving my controller. You can see that my right stick is working, you can see that my left stick is working, my L2 and my R2 are working. You can also use this program to test your controller. If you think that maybe your left stick is a bit off, you can always check with this and your right stick, just like that. And then you have a bunch more settings right here. You can make your controller vibrate, you can make it vibrate a bit lighter because they have a few different kinds of motor settings in your controller and all different kinds of things. And just like it is working right here, you will actually be able to use your controller in your games. Now right now I am controlling my mouse with the touchpad on the DualShock 4 controller, so whenever you're playing a game and you need to use your mouse, you can use your controller for that. So now we are going to try to connect my DualShock 4 controller via Bluetooth. So I unplugged my controller. As you can see, the settings right here went away. Under controller, again, there are none. So in order to start trying to pair your controller to your Windows 10 computer, you need to hold down the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time on your controller until your controller starts to blink. Now this isn't going to be the normal pairing blink, it will be a special blink that is a bit faster than the normal. After you have your controller in pairing mode, we are going to right click on the start button and go to our settings. In your settings, you are going to want to find your devices and then Bluetooth and other devices, and we're going to add a Bluetooth device. Click on Bluetooth and it is going to search for your controller. It should show up as wireless controller. Go ahead and select it. And our device is ready to go. So here you can see that I am connected to my wireless controller. We can close out of the settings, and here you can see our controller comes up again, but this time the status is Bluetooth, and of course everything is going to work just the same. Go to controller readings. I'm connected to Bluetooth. My right and left stick are working. So is my 6-axis, my gyro, my accelerometer, and everything is working. My L2 and R2 is working. So we are good to go to start playing our games. And the input delay is about the same as if we were connected under the USB. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped. And leave a like if you enjoyed. If you didn't, leave a dislike. Anything from you guys helps. And don't forget to leave a comment. I'll see you in the next one.